Out Among 'em Entertainment. In celebration with Moonshine Muscle Productions presents the Crest Family Holiday Open House. Every year in December, the Crest Senior Living Center throws open its doors for a celebration with residents' family members to display the facility's holiday and Christmas-themed decor. There are refreshments including hot chocolate, coffee, tea, and a wide selection of Christmas cookies for all to enjoy. Kids, grandkids, great-grandkids, and even a few double greats enjoy the tours, fellowship, and the conversations as they partake of the fun and features set up for their entertainment pleasure. From model trains to Madrigal Singers, this year's festivities left nothing for want. So follow along as we tour the wonder for this year's event. And now, with a special appearance by the DeKalb High School Madrigal Singers.
Beautiful is the child. It is wrong when the baby is sleeping. It is wrong to speak so. When we again shall meet, when we again shall meet.
And a special highlight and delight for so many, both young and seasoned, was the massive model train display. The accuracy and attention to detail is absolutely awesome. as we finish the tour of beauty in Christmas and holiday displays. Here's wishing from all of us to all of you a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a safe, successful, and joyous New Year. Thank you for watching. As always, if you haven't already, and you really feel like it, please subscribe.